Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first official unit. Unit 1, The Power of Goals. We are now beginning to look into our textbook. So for this module, we are going to click Unit 1, The Power of Goals. And then you will click Module 1, September 21st to the 25th. And for Monday, September 21st. First, you will watch the video that explains what you will be doing for today. Then you will go to the async folder. You will watch a video about main idea and details. Then you have a discussion post. Here is the question, and you are going to make a list. And here is an example. In the comment box, you will make your list. Remember to read all directions before you start typing, and remember to check for spelling before you click post. And then you have a vocabulary activity to do. Okay, you click on the activity and you are going to start new attempt and you are going to practice some vocabulary. And that's it for async. Now we're going to go to sync. It is Monday, so we will have our Zoom class together. Here is what we will be doing. We will look at the book. We will talk about main idea and details, and we'll do some listening practice. And I will answer any questions about the activities, and then we'll do a little bit of closing out. And that's it. Good luck.